you tell me a story?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you singing a song?
Good morning.
Yeah.
Good morning.
How about ABCs?
A, B, E, D, F, Y.
You forgot some. Try again. A, B, H, I, J, K, Q, R, S, W, X, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Hooray! Good job! That's a good job. Yeah, I liked it. Can you sing me another song? How about Twinkle Twinkle? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Yay! What is that? Scary. Are you scared? Huh? You scared? Why? Oh. You want to count? Let's count. Ready? Audra, look at Mama. 1,
2,
3,
4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. You do good. Yeah, you were smart. Oh, why'd you bite me? Silly girl. Owie. Don't bite Mommy. Don't bite Mommy. Ow. Don't bite me. Not funny. Ow. Are you being silly? You're too funny. You crack me up. Are you funny, girl? Oh, I gotta kick back and relax. Yeah, just chilling. Just chilling. Yeah. You say bye-bye?